Check this out, the VETROO AL800. This thing is a full tower case, which means tons of space for your components, and it's surprisingly affordable. First impressions? It's sleek, it's black, and it's got this really cool door opening design with tempered glass. You can show off all your RGB goodness inside without any fuss. Speaking of RGB, it comes with a built-in ARGB strip and a pre-installed ARGB PWM fan in the rear. They can sync with your motherboard for some awesome lighting effects. Now, airflow is king in any PC case, and the VETROO AL800 doesn't disappoint. The 3D mesh front panel looks great and provides excellent airflow to keep everything cool. Trust me, your components will thank you. And get this, it supports up to 10 120mm fans. Plus, you can fit a 360mm liquid cooling radiator in the front or top. So, whether you're air cooling or going for a custom water loop, this case has you covered. Compatibility? No worries there. It supports the ATX, ATX, MATX, and IDX motherboards. So, pretty much any motherboard you throw at it will fit. And for you GPU enthusiasts, it can handle graphics cards up to 425mm long, which means even those massive RTX 40 series cards will fit comfortably. Cable management is always a pain, right? Well, the VETROO AL800 makes it a bit easier with two soft silicone cord grommets. They're strategically placed to help you route your cables cleanly and keep things looking tidy. And the I/O panel is pretty decent too. You get a Type-C port, a USB 3.0, a USB 2.0, and your usual headphone and microphone jacks. Overall, the VETROO AL800 seems like a fantastic value. You get a spacious full tower case with great airflow, excellent compatibility, decent cable management, and some stylish RGB lighting, all at a price that won't break the bank. If you're looking for a budget-friendly full tower case that doesn't compromise on features, definitely check this one out. It might just be the perfect case for your next build.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.